YouTube, what up? Welcome back to Process for Profits, all service business, all success, service business simplified. And I see I wasn't really feeling that fuck that up. I see you guys wasn't really feeling that the instructional, right? So yeah, having a hard time getting through the instructional. It's cool, but you gotta have the wherewithal to focus, right? It's all right. Y'all not into that. How can I help y'all? If you can't get through those 8 minutes, then just simply sitting and spending your time online is going to be very hard for you to focus. You're probably not going to be good for the getting money in the DMs because you can't harness your energies and your attention span for a short period of time. And you're dealing, this is coming from somebody with all of those same issues, right? But I managed it. You got to be able to package it and manage it in a manner that makes sense, right? It's so much opportunity out there, man. So much free money, so much opportunity. Y'all just, I don't know. Those that I can, I do. And those that will. If you don't want to, it's cool. If you do, shout out to those. You bought the course, you bought the bundle. I haven't received one survey back. So it's like, I guess you don't want the call. I guess you don't have no questions. It all comes out at the same time. It's not up to me to watch when you have completed it, to email you. So understand this, that when you buy the bundle, you have to complete the course. And when you get the survey, fill it out and send it back. Once I get the survey back, I go look to see if you completed it. You completed it. We set up a time to speak. Man, I hope you guys are getting active. I don't really know what else I can. This is the level of disappointment right now, man. So, see you guys on the other side, man.